music culture, and the arts.
Ang objective namin dati is to develop, promote, and help to expose the Kapampangan songwriters and Kapampangan singers. Ngayon, medyo lumawak na yung objective namin kasi we diversified in other forms of arts.
Pero paano nga ba nabuo ang grupong ito?
There were 15 of us who organized the group, 15 songwriters, wherein we met in a songwriting competition here in Pampanga. And after we formed the organization, one of our pilot project was the radio show entitled Okay Mo, aired in Bright FM.
At gaano na ba kalayo ang kanilang narating?
Okay Musica has taken part in concerts organized by local government units, especially the city of San Fernando, here in Pampanga, and also by other activities of the provincial government of Pampanga.
Ang goal namin sa Okay Musica ay ang to bring back the culture and heritage of Pampanga nowadays, through arts and through music.
Talagang hindi pa huhuli ang mga Kapampangan pagdating sa iba't ibang talento. Lalo pat mas lalo itong pinagyayaman ng mga bagong henerasyon.
For our upcoming projects, we're going to have a TV show that will be next month. Yan, papalabas pa next month. And ang title po niya ay Okay Musica. And mag-release din po kami ng bagong album na Lugod Kapampangan.
World class. Iba, angat sa lahat. Kaya naman asahan natin na patuloy at hindi mawawala ang kultura at tradisyon ng mga Kapampangan dahil sa Okay Musica.
Iba yung pag-iingat ang kailangan upang maiwasan ang aksidente.
35% of head injuries are secondary to riders without helmet. And also there's another, quite a similar number of around 30%